Welcome to 10821 Knickerbocker Avenue, a beautiful two-story home located in Monticello in the highly desirable master plan community of Providence. Let's talk about where we are. This is Providence, on the northwest side of the Las Vegas Valley. And tucked inside Providence is a subdivision called Monticello. This property was built in 2015, has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,006 square feet. Right when you walk through that front door, the home just opens up to you. Beautiful vinyl flooring runs across the entire lower level. Seamless, and it handles real life. And notice how the space flows. Living, dining, kitchen, it all works together. So you're never stuck in one room while everybody else is in another. And this is the heart of the home. The kitchen is completely open to living and dining space, which means whoever's cooking is still part of the conversation. That matters more than people realize until they live it. Look at these cappuccino colored cabinets. That rich, warm tone against the quartz countertops is such a clean pairing. And quartz is what nearly every buyer is asking me for right now. Plenty of prep space, plenty of storage, and it's all set up so the kitchen actually works for the person using it. Now here's something a lot of two-story homes get wrong, and this one gets it right. There's a full bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs. That's your own out of town for guests so they have their own space. That's for a parent that's moving in with you. That's for the college kid who's home for the summer. Or if you're like most of my clients right now, that's your home office. Let's step outside, right off the dining room. Now I'll be straight with you. This is not a huge yard, but I want you to look at what they did with it. You've got a paver patio, and covering it is an aluminum patio cover. Then over here, a putting green, which is either the best or worst thing about this house, depending on how much you like your short game. You can't see the neighbors, and the neighbors can't see you. In a newer community, that kind of privacy usually takes 10 or 15 years to grow in. Back inside, let's head upstairs. At the top, you land in a loft, and this is one of my favorite spaces in the house. It can be whatever your family needs it to be. A home office, a second TV room, a playroom, a homework station, a quiet place to read that isn't your bedroom. It's bonus square footage that most homes this size simply don't give you. Just off the loft is a secondary bedroom, comfortably sized, good closet space, and nice natural light. And then we come to the primary suite. Look how spacious this is. There's genuine room to breathe in here. A king bed, nightstands, a seating area if you want one. And the bathroom is lovely. Dual sinks, so nobody's taking turns on a workday morning. A beautiful shower and a walk-in closet with real usable space. Right here, off the second floor, there's a second set of stairs, and they go straight up. This is the rooftop viewing deck, finished in artificial turf, so it's soft underfoot, and it stays green all year. And there's essentially nothing to maintain. And then you look up, and there's Las Vegas. Thanks so much for watching this tour of 10821 Knickerbocker Avenue in Providence. I'm Cathy Jaramillo with Love Las Vegas Realty, and if you have any questions about this home or would like to schedule a private showing, feel free to reach out to me directly at 702-604-0334. And if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more Las Vegas real estate updates and upcoming listings.